So now student, let's see here question number 12. So class 10th chapter 5th arithmetic progresses AP and question number 12 of exercise 5.2. So student, those who have not seen my last video, please see that one for question number 11, 10, 9. So please see the last video, then watch this video. So let's see here question number 12. In question number 12 it is telling here 2 AP have the same common difference. That means students, how many AP are there? 2 AP. So 2 AP having same common difference. That means if you are taking here D, so D have the same common difference for both the AP. For the AP number first and for the AP number second. So the difference between the 100 term is 100. That means difference between these 2 AP. Difference between their terms. Suppose one AP we are denoting from A100. So second AP we are denoting from T100. So difference between their 100 terms is equal to how much? 100. Question is telling here that means 2 AP. One AP we are denoting here nth term, that means AN. And second AP we are denoting nth term, that is the Tn. But at the place of n, Tn, so it is given here 100. That means the difference between the 100 term is equal to how much? 100. This much is given here. And question is telling here, question is asking here, that is what is the difference between the 1000 terms? That means this much is asking here. A 1000 minus T 1000 will be equal to how much? This is question. So now let's see here how we can solve it, the questions. So first what we will do here, let A1 and A2 be the first term of the first AP and second AP. Let A1 and A2 be the first term of first AP and second AP also, respectively. That means A1 is the first term of the first AP and A2 is also first term of the second AP. Yes, students? So, and D be the common difference for both the AP. And D is common difference both the AP. D is the common difference of both the AP. So students, A100, that means A1 is the first term. A100, A and formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So A at the place of A, what will write down here? A1 plus n minus 1, that means 100 minus 1. How much you will get? 99 into D, that is the D is the same for both. This much is there for A100, A plus n minus 1 into D by using that method. And negative sign is there, put the negative. And again Tn, that is also a next term. So same formula of An only, A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is for the second AP. So first term of this AP is A2. So A2 plus 100 minus 1, that means 99. And D common difference is same for both the AP is equal to how much you will get here? 100. So now students, open the bracket. By opening the brackets, what you will get here? A1 minus A2 is equal to how much you will get here? 100. And this 99 plus 99, by opening this bracket you will get negative sign minus A2, and minus into plus you will get minus 99D, and minus 99D plus 99D, it can be cancelled. So A1 minus A2 is equal to how much? 100. So A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. So make it this one as equation number first. Somewhere we will use it this equation. So now question is asking here A1000 minus T1000. That means what should be the difference between the 1000 terms? This is the question. So A1000 will use this formula. So A1000, that means what? A1 plus 1000 minus 1, that means 999. 999D. Use it this one and use the negative sign. So again T1000, that means A2 is the first term of the second AP. So A2 plus 999 into D is equal to how much? We are not knowing. So now just open the bracket. If you open the bracket, so plus 999D minus 999D, it can be cancelled. So how much you will get here? A1 minus A2 you will get here. A1 minus A2 will get here. So what is the value of A1 minus A2? A1 minus A2 value is how much? 100. So the difference between 1000 term is how much? 100. So we have got the answers. So now students, in the same way, just go through the next questions. Question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Let's see these questions. Very simple question. This one is also. So question number 13. Question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? That means question is asking here 3-digit numbers we are having, but how many 3-digit numbers are like that which may be divisible by 7? So for this one very much typical, but when we will use it AP, that logic will become very simple. 3-digit numbers first will write on here 100. 3-digit number after this one 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107. So students, you may write down like this till 3-digit numbers 999, 999, and before 999 you will get 997, and before 997 990, 998, 997, so 996, 996, 995, so 995, 994 will get like this. These are the in between. So, but we have to not calculate here all, because each and every number is not divisible by 7. So we have to find out that number which are divisible by 7. So check it this 100, whether it is divisible by 7. No, it is not divisible by 7. Check it next one. 101 is divisible by 7. No, it is also not. 102, it is also not. 103, this one is also not. 104, so let's check here. So 104, so 7, 1 just 7, so 3 and 4. So that means this is also not divisible by 7. So let's take here 105. So 105 divided by 7. So 7 1 ja 7. So 3 and 5. 7 5 is 35. So 35. That means one number we have got here divisible by 7. Which number is that one? 105 is divisible by 7. Anyone have problems? This number is also not divisible by 7. This is also not divisible by 7. So one number we have got here. But next number how you can calculate? Next number can be calculated by adding the 7 in this one. No need to check it all. You have to check it here whether which are the number which is divisible by 7. Don't do it that one. That will take you more time. So 105 we have got here which is divisible by 7. And next number you can calculate by adding here 7. So 112 you will get here. 105 plus 7, 112. And next number 187 here, 190. So in the same way we can calculate here. So now let's see here from last also. So 999 it is not divisible by 7. 998 it is also not divisible by 7. 997 it is also not divisible by 7. 996 it is also not divisible by 7. So 995 let's check here whether it is divisible by 7 or not. 995. 995. So divided by 7. So 7 1 ja 7. So how much will get here? 2. 9. 7 3 ja 21. So 8 and 85. So it is also not divisible by 7. Generally 7 4 ja 28. So 1 and 5 15, which is also not divisible by 7. 15 we are getting here remainder. So now let's see here 994. So 994. So divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7. So 2 and 9. 7 4 ja 28 and 29 minus 28 1 and 4 47 to the 14. That means 994 is divisible by 7. So large digit we are getting this one. So we will write down here large digit 994. 994 which is divisible by 7. So rest of the numbers which will lie in between also, which are divisible by 7. So these are the AP which we are getting here. These are the AP. These are the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. These are the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. This is not 3-digit number which are divisible by 7. All numbers is not divisible by 7. So we have to take it this one. So now students, in this one first term is here what? A, that is 105. And common difference D you will get 7 only in all the terms. So and your last term is this one because nth term is this one. So last term is denoted by an is equal to how much? 994. So an, use the log formula. So an formula is there. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to how much? 994. So a value how much we are getting here? 105. Put it here 105 plus n minus 1. D value we are getting here 7. That is the common difference. So you will get here 994. And now 105 bring it on RHS side. So 994 minus 105. So n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 994 and minus 105. So substitute this one 994 and 105. So 4 cannot be subtracted from 5. So again take it carry 1. 14 you will get. 14 minus 5 you will get 9. So 8 is remaining here. So 9 minus 1 that is 8. So 8 8 9 we are getting here. So n minus 1 into 7 is equal to how much? 8 8 9. So now what we can do it here? This 7 it is in multiplication, it will go in division. So n minus 1 is equal to, so divided this one, so 8 8 9 divided by 7. So student, let's see here division also, because many of them are not knowing how to do the divisions. So 8 8 9, so divided by 7. So one time it will go 7 you will get here. 1, 8. 7 to the 14. 7 3 is 21. So 2 times it will go. 7 to the 14. So 4 you will get. And 9, 49. That means 127 we are getting here. So and minus 1 is equal to how much? 127. So now minus 1 bring it on RHS side, that will become plus 1. So how much you will get here? N is equal to 127 plus 1. So you will get here N is equal to 128. So students, this one is your answers. That means 128. So question was asking here how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So how much you will get here? 128 are the numbers which are divisible by 7. So now students, I hope it is clear. So next questions you will get in the next video. So watch it this much.